Welcome to our video on mastering DTF printing, where we'll reveal the top 3 steps to unlocking success. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Prepare your design. Start by creating or selecting a design that suits your needs. Remember to optimize it for DTF printing by using bold lines and vibrant colors. Ensure that your design is fully vectorized to avoid pixelation. Step 2. Prepare your printer. Load the DTF film into your printer, making sure it aligns correctly. Set the temperature and pressure settings according to the manufacturer's instructions. Don't forget to check if your printer requires a pre-coating solution. Step 3. Print and transfer. Once your design is ready and your printer is set, hit the print button. Watch as your design comes to life on the DTF film. After printing, lay the DTF film face down on your fabric and press it with a heat press machine. The heat will transfer the design onto the fabric, creating a vibrant and durable print. And there you have it, the top 3 steps to DTF printing success. With these techniques, you'll be able to create stunning designs with ease. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and tutorials.